Why we misunderstand strangers and how to fix it. Imagine meeting a stranger for the first time. How often do you walk away feeling you truly understood them? Chances are, not every time. Humans are wired to rely on assumptions, but those assumptions can mislead us. Malcolm Gladwell's Talking to Strangers reveals just how often we get it wrong. From trusting outward appearances to relying heavily on society's norms, we make quick, sometimes faulty judgments about people we don't know. This happens not just in personal settings, but in critical situations, affecting larger aspects of trust and communication around the world. A smile means someone is friendly, right? Or does it? Gladwell suggests that cultural differences, hidden emotions, and context can all disconnect what we think someone is saying from what they're actually communicating. What seems obvious might just be a mask. Historical examples have shown us the dangerous consequences of these errors. From high-profile miscommunications to misunderstandings in daily life, false judgments can harm relationships, trust, and even safety. It's not just about perception, it's about survival in a social world. One of the ideas Gladwell introduces is the concept of default to truth. This is our tendency to believe people are honest until proven otherwise. While it helps society function, it can also lead to misplaced trust and missed red flags. By recognizing when to question this instinct without unfairly doubting others, we can strike a balance between being open and cautious. This awareness is vital when engaging with strangers in personal, professional, or even global interactions. Our judgment of strangers often stems from overconfidence in reading body language, believing stereotypes, or forcing people into familiar narratives we've built in our heads. These shortcuts make life simpler, but they also limit deeper understanding. Instead of reading strangers, we should seek to listen. Empathy, curiosity, and a willingness to ask questions can help uncover the deeper layers of a person's story. After all, everyone carries unique experiences that don't fit neatly into preset categories. Improving how we interact with strangers starts with humility, accepting that we don't know as much as we think we do. When you meet someone new, ask more questions and make fewer assumptions. It's okay to take the time to get things right. Practice active listening and pay attention to nuances, like context and past experiences. Conversations rooted in empathy and genuine curiosity help us build relationships that transcend surface-level misunderstandings. Understanding strangers isn't just a social skill, it's a way to strengthen connections and avoid unnecessary conflicts. With tools like empathy, active listening, and cultural awareness, we can bridge the gaps that divide us, one conversation at a time. If you're ready to transform your interactions, start today. Be open, stay curious, and seek to understand, not just respond. Share this video, spark conversations, and let's make the world a little more connected, one stranger at a time.